Hello, welcome to microscope.
So I have two pond aquarium. Pond created two pond. One with a two feet deep tub and another about 1 feet tub. And here lots of plants. I think maybe interesting. Some pond water, some dead leaf, some maybe excreta of snail. Some algae which is growing here. So I don't know what I will find, but whenever I like to see through pond organism, I always pick up some random things. Algae here, and maybe some scrap of the scum below. Some scum. I just take some. Sometimes we can.
Vorticella. It is also called bell animalcule. It belongs to kingdom Protista and phylum Celiophora, like the famous Paramecium. It grows on dead organism where lots of bacteria are found. It is often found in bunches, as you can see here, and sometimes form clusters and interact with one another. It is shaped like a wine glass with thin stem called myoneem that can spring down and uncoil for the animal to shoot upwards. Stentor. Stentor is another member of the kingdom Protista and also Celiophora. Usually found isolated, it also has a circle of cilia round its mouth. It remains attached to the substratum with a hold fast, as you can see here. The cilia creates water current and draws food into the mouth. What you can see creeping out here is a rotifer. You can see its long tail here, as it uses this to attach itself to the substratum when it settles. Amazingly, though it is the same size as the stentor, it is a complex multicellular organism in animal kingdom, Aschelminthes, similar to nematodes. It often settles down on a substratum, as you see here, and if you look carefully you will see its two mouths with cilia. Here comes cypris. It is giant compared to Rotifer, Vorticella and Stentor. You can see by naked eye, but you cannot view in details because it's only half a millimeter width of about 5 times the hair. It eats debris of dead animals. Hope you enjoyed this short safari. Thank you for watching and look out for the next tour.